Whether it's from here or lower, don't know. But expectation at this point, especially with BTC having very strong rejection, that to me just looks like this was the top on BTC's momentum move. I said it though on, what was that, Monday? I said it on Monday that shorting from there wouldn't make much sense, as you're looking at this being the first test of the resistance. You get the resistance from the all-time high, you get the first support test, then this was a retest. This is all part of the same retest, as you can see now, more clearly. Because when it hit it and pulled back, we did still have liquidity above, so what happens is people start shorting, they start shorting too early, and they get squeezed up. They get squeezed up on Wednesday, that got taken out. Going into the close, we actually started to break right up towards the all-time high, just at that last hour of the session, and then off the open, hit the all-time high clear, and then reversing from that. So, pullback on BTC, it's all this same general area. The level I'd actually be watching is this original wick from Monday, if we see any lower time frame bounces, and any consolidation that can't stay there, and obviously fails to hold within the premium zone. I think that's where you see the sell-off come from. If it's the trend support along the way, especially this first consolidation. Let's see what happens when it hits them again. Sol has been on the move. For alts though, I will do a much deeper dive today, because Thursday we have Altcoin Edge. Sol moved up, hit its highs. So these are all reaching areas exactly where they should pull back. Now you touch off those highs after a one-sided move. That's where you'd expect to pull back from. Why? Well, the people who trade within that range have the perfect take profit, which is people trying to buy the breakout, stops getting tagged, you've had the full reversion. Doesn't mean it's bearish, actually far from it. It's a pretty solid sign, but it can be a pullback from here, and I'd look at Sol possibly back to 190 or 180 if Bitcoin pulls back to mid-range or to the monthly open or anything like that. As for stocks, closed the daily above new highs is about the kind of the long and short of it. Nasdaq looks like a reversal candle after a strong breakout. So conflicting signals there, and really just a case of wait and see what happens next. It just continues its ever increasing